Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you the latest updates from Vacation Tracker for the month of February 2026. Starting off with our most exciting news, I'm pleased to officially announce that our Zapier integration is now in open beta. With Zapier, you'll be able to connect Vacation Tracker to thousands of different apps and create custom workflows that trigger automatically based on the actions you select. If you're interested in becoming a beta tester, then please feel free to reach out to hello@vacationtracker.io. Everyone is welcome to join. While not as exciting as the Zapier integration, we've also made several updates and improvements to the app to improve your experience. These include updating the company audit logs to include information about deleted automations, reporting now being improved to hide empty and non-relevant columns for cleaner data, adding tooltips to the team availability section of the user dashboard to clarify the various leave types, and improved the seniority entitlement and entitlement by role automations with several minor enhancements. If you're having trouble getting a grip on all these different updates and how to use Vacation Tracker best, don't you worry, because class is now in session with VT Academy. Vacation Tracker Academy is now your go-to space for step-by-step walkthroughs, practical demos, and expert tips. With new videos added weekly, you'll learn how to fine-tune your setup and become a lead management pro in no time. As our community keeps on growing, so too does our impact. This past month, thanks to your leave requests, we were able to plant 1,096 trees through our partnership with One Tree Planted. It's proof that even a small action, like taking time off, can lead to meaningful change, and we're grateful to have you part of the process. That wraps up our February update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next month.